My name's Joe Davis and I'm the founder and CEO of RSU Services, the UK's #1 recruitment agency startup company. The reason for this brief video is that I need your kind support for a project that I'm launching that is designed to help hundreds of people who are unemployed or in low-paid jobs to earn money from the gig economy working as home-based recruitment consultants. I've entered a competition that is being promoted by Sir Richard Branson. And I'm looking for votes to help my company to win a share of £1 million towards marketing support that will benefit both employers and people looking to start a home-based recruitment agency. I've worked in the recruitment industry for over 35 years, and with the knowledge and experience gained from training recruiters and helping people to start their own home-based recruitment agency, I've developed a recruitment software and training program that will give people from all backgrounds and walks of life the opportunity to have a share of recruitment's multi-billion-pound industry. Firstly, on our business platform, employers will be able to post their vacancies for free, doing away with the need to use costly job boards, which in itself is a multi-billion-pound industry just ripe for disruption. Plus, recruit free of charge on the platform from candidates that respond directly to their job adverts, saving these companies countless thousands of pounds on recruitment agency fees. Second, for a fraction of the fees charged by traditional recruitment agencies, employers can choose to receive suitable candidate CVs from people who will be trained by my company to work as home-based recruiters. And last but not least, I put together a very comprehensive online recruitment training and software program that will allow anyone to be trained for free to work as an associate recruiter, having full access to jobs and candidates to place with employers and generate an income from every successful introduction. My goal is to cause a recruitment agency revolution by breaking up the monopoly of the high street recruitment agencies and giving it to, if you please pardon the expression, the little guy, the person struggling to make ends meet, just about managing, so that they can have a slice of this business and transform the recruitment industry, making it available to the many, not just a few. If you can spare me just 2 minutes of your time to support my campaign, that will help organisations such as the health service, schools and charities, etc., save thousands of pounds on recruitment agency fees. Plus, winning this competition will provide me with the funds needed to freely train people to start earning a second income working as home-based recruitment consultants. I look forward to hearing from you.